Welcome to RVB Brick Speed Builds. I'm your host, RVB, where I provide insights to help you decide on what sets to buy and build today. In this episode, I'm going to be doing a Jurassic World set, Dr. Wu's Baby Dinosaur Breakout. It's a long one, but there's so many features that feel like it's from the Jurassic Park movie. There's a little mosquito in the sap, there's the machines that rotate the eggs, there's also a power map that shows the power is out, just like in the original one. It's pretty cool looking. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're gonna do the unboxing today, the speed builds, 360 detailed views, and I'll join you back here for my RVB score. So enjoy, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you back here in a little bit. All right, bye. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you're still not fully decided on if you want to buy this set or not, I'm going to go over my RVB score. So I score on 5 different categories for a total score out of 50. So the first category, appearance. I gave this set a 9 out of 10. I think this is a really cool looking set, especially all the Jurassic Park kind of hints that you see throughout it with like the mosquito in the sap or the machine rotating the eggs, or the map of the power grid on the board, all from the Jurassic Park movies. It's great to see that. For the second category is limited stickers. On this one, I gave it a 5 out of 10. I don't really like putting on stickers, and this set had a lot of them. Though I understand why, I'd still like to see the printed parts for this set. The next category is minifigures, and I gave this set a 7 out of 10. While the minifigures are pretty cool and I think unique to the set, not fully sure, they're kind of what is expected. So there is a scientist for Dr. Wu's laboratory, so that kind of works. And then there's also another minifig, which I totally forget what the character is supposed to be, but more of the rough type and adventure type to help with, recapturing the dinosaurs. So gave it that score. The next category is accessories, and this one I gave a 9 out of 10. I think the set comes with a lot of accessories. Like I said before, the mosquito in the sap, you have the robot that turns the eggs, that the eggs actually fit into the thing. You actually have a glass wall that you can break down through the movement that you saw in the set for the dinosaurs that have their Dinosaur Breakout, as well as it has its own separate kind of table with a laptop and a microscope, a petri dish. Like, they really went all out in the details on the set, so I gave it a 9 out of 10. Build fun, I gave it a 7 out of 10. I thought this set was pretty cool to build, and just watch all the different elements come to life in it to make the full science laboratory thing they were going for, as well as I've been saying, the whole Jurassic Park remnants in the set. Each individual part reminded me of a different section or the whole lab in the Jurassic Park movie, especially the first one. So definitely a really good set from the build fun perspective. And I do plan on using this laboratory in some sort of Halloween scary theme and add a few more pieces to it, so it also has that kind of build fun and scene creativity with it as well. Overall, with all those, I gave it a 37 out of 50. I would definitely highly recommend the set if you are a Jurassic Park fan and want to make another portion of the movie and maybe add a few things to it, or maybe add walls around it to make more of the science lab. Would be pretty cool to build into this. But like I've been saying, overall, I think a lot of neat little touches in this set, even though it's not that big of a set, but definitely room to expand and build upon. Limited stickers though, again, horrible. Got to get more printed parts. I think that would be cool and also be great for resale value if you're into that as well. So overall, gave it a 37 out of 50. Would definitely recommend it if you're a Jurassic Park fan. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment, especially on if you're gonna buy the set, have the set, thinking about buying the set, and if I was helpful at all. So either way, come join me back here for a couple more videos, and I'll talk to you soon. All right.